In today's video, we're exploring the best Pilates workout apps for Android that can help you strengthen your body and improve flexibility. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, these apps will provide you with great workouts you can do anytime. Let's get started. Pilates Workout Exercises. Pilates Workout Exercises is a comprehensive app designed for both beginners and experienced practitioners. It offers a wide range of guided Pilates workouts focusing on strength, flexibility, and core stability. The app features step-by-step instructions and video demonstrations to ensure that users perform each exercise with proper form. Users can choose from various workout plans based on their fitness levels and goals, whether it's building strength, improving posture, or enhancing flexibility. Additionally, the app includes customizable routines that allow users to tailor their workouts according to their schedules. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy to follow along and stay motivated. Pilates Workout at Home. Pilates Workout at Home is an accessible app that allows users to practice Pilates without the need for any specialized equipment. Perfect for those who prefer working out at home, this app provides a variety of routines designed for different skill levels, from absolute beginners to advanced practitioners. Each workout is designed to target specific muscle groups, helping to improve core strength and overall body alignment. The app features detailed instructions and visuals for each pose, making it easy to follow along. Users can track their progress and set personal fitness goals, motivating them to stay consistent with their practice. Overall, Pilates Workout at Home is an excellent option for anyone looking to integrate Pilates into their daily routine. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of Pilates workout exercises and Pilates Workout at Home helps you find the perfect app to enhance your Pilates practice. Let us know in the comments which app you're excited to try. Until next time, happy Pilates!